Hello team, so this is a taxi solution which I am going to show you. So this is the front end. Here you can easily sign up as a driver. Let me show you all the things, like you can sign up as a driver, or we have other sign up form as well. Let me show you all form with you. Okay, so you can sign up as a rider, as a driver, as a company. So companies are different types of travel agencies, like who have multiple drivers, so they can register with you or they can use your solution on commission basis. Okay, here you can check, this is the front end. Here you can set up your content, or you can change. If you want to change any pages or you want to create any pages, then you can do it. Okay, so main is admin panel. Let me show you admin panel as well. So I will show you first admin panel, then okay, so this is our admin dashboard. Here you can check earning, how much riders we have, drivers we have, total trips, earning, and this is a today. Here you can check sales graph, calendar you can check, recent ride request you can check. You can set up multiple rules, or you can give any permission on those rules. So you can set up multiple rules and you can give permissions. After adding roles, here you can set up multiple users, or you can create multiple users. Okay, or you can give any role to them. With that role or with those permission, they can manage easily solutions. After that, this is a company. So all companies that will come here. You can create manually as well if you want to create. You just need to add some data, or user will create. After that, drivers we have, so all driver data will come here. You can check all driver data. Okay, here you can check status, mobile number, device type like Android or iOS, when it will create it. You can add it, you can delete, or you can create multiple. After that, this is the rider data. You can check document. We can raise document for our company, our driver, our vehicles. Like insurance, we ask for insurance, like driver insurance we can ask, or vehicle insurance. So both insurance we can ask for them. So we can create any document need. So like PAN card we require. So here we add PAN card document for driver. So we select driver here, then country, expiry date, yes and no, then active. Okay, so here you can set up multiple documents. If I want to send any messages, then I can go in the send message, or then I can send message to all or any specific user if I want. After that, email. So if I want to send an email, then I can create email. Here this is the some email settings, so you can check. We already using SMTP here. You just need to SMTP key, then it will be work. After that, manual booking. So if you want to raise any offline booking, then that data will come here. So you can create booking. Here you can view your manual booking data. After that, vehicle make. So in which vehicles we are dealing, that vehicles we can create here. Here you can create vehicle models. Okay, you can create multiple vehicle models. Here you can manage vehicle types. So this is the vehicles you can manage, or you can create, or if any driver create any vehicle or for their uses, so that data will come here. You can active that vehicle, then they can use that. See, this is the inactive because we had not checked yet, so we not approved it. We approved that, then it will be live. Here we can have vehicle types. Okay, after the additional regions we have, so here you can set up regions. Here you can manage your cancel regions, locations. So here you can set up multiple locations. If I want to add location, then we can add location. Or in this we already add geofencing system. With geofencing you can create your multiple areas where you are running your services. After that, fare. So here you can set up or create multiple fare, like what is the vehicle, or what is the base fare, how much capacity, minimum fare per minute, per kilometer, waiting charges, schedule, currency code we can set up and all. Okay, after the fare we have a managed trip, so we can check ride request, trips, cancel trip, manage payment and all. After that we have a payout. So company payout request or driver payout request will come here. You can check and you can approve that. After that O amount we have statement. So you can check overall statement data will here. See, the data will come here. You can manage that. Okay, you can if I click here, then trip data will open, like pickup location, drop off location, currency, both is of base fare and all. You can manage that. Okay, after that wallet and promo, so you can manage that. Refers we have, so here you can check rider refer, driver refer. Here you can check your map view. So we not set up any of the Google Map API. So whenever we set up Google Map API, then you can check live locations data, like how much users we have. See, in Pune we register with 2 user login, like one is unavailable driver or one is user, so that data will come here. That type of users you can check or you can create, so automatically all data will update and it will show you on live. After that heat map we have API credentials, so you can set up like Google, Twilio. For SMS we are using Twilio, Google Map we are using for live, all the things. Okay, after that these are payment gateway we are using. You just need to add key, payment gateway will work. After that fees is there, so rider survey fees and all you can manage that. Refer settings we have, so how much number of trips we have, what is the currency code, what is the amount of trips. Metas we have, country, currencies we have, so you can set up or you can create multiple. After that languages we have. Okay, so you can set up your own languages. After some settings we have, like if you want to change your time zones, currency, payment currency and all, how much driver kilometer, pickup kilometer. Okay, heat map we can enable it, OTP verification we can enable, disable and all. These features we already integrated. So I already show you the complete admin panel. So if you have any query, then let me know. I will try to help you. Now we will go for setup location. Sorry. Now we will go for sharing app details. So this is the rider applications which I am going to show you. So I enable locations. So this is my live location currently. So let me show you the complete demo of rider or driver. Here we are searching where we need to go. So I select Noida. After that, this is the vehicles. We can select any vehicles, which vehicles we need to select. Okay, so here you can check vehicles name and amount. Okay, after that let me show you. I select e-rickshaw. Let me check see, here you can check capacity on all. We can book that which we need to book. Okay, here we are going for adding locations, so we request for accepting. Okay, just seconds. This is a rider. I already searched for that, but this is very typical to use in same phone. So let me do again with the different logins, or we will show you in the same frame how we are using. So no issue, just seconds. Let me show you again all the things. So this is the 3 dot options. You can set up, you can edit if you want to edit anything. Okay, this is the payment mode, so you can check cash or online payment. In wallet you can check how much wallets you have. Okay, let me show you other things like trip history we have. Okay, app settings, so you can set up other things. If you want to sign out, then you can sign out as well. Okay, this is the admin number which we have set up for demo. Okay, so you can connect to admin for manual booking. Like we are getting any error or any facing an issue, then we can use that. Okay, now this is the filterage option. So here, like we are preferred for handicap or child's seat. Okay, now we go for search again, where we need to go. So this is the driver application. So let me show you all the details related to driver as well. So here you can check pending trips, complete trips. Okay, we can check all the data. When we go for thetas, here we can check other things like earning. So you can check our, like I am driver, I am what my earning. Here we can check the vehicle information. So this is the vehicle which we are running. Okay, after that we have like pay to admin, how much admins cut we have. So you can send those money with admin. See, pay to admin. So like pay with PayPal or pay with wallet, but we not set up a payment gateway currently. That's why that error will come. Whenever you set up your own payment gateway here, then that transaction will complete very smoothly. Okay, after that other things we have like refer we have. So this is your refer code you can set up. Okay, after that some settings we have, so you can set up some setting like currency and other things we can set up, we can create, we can manage that. Okay, after that we have like see, this is the vehicle. So we select any vehicle for live, like currently we are running with Maruti or currently we are running with Mahindra, like that. Okay, which type of vehicle or truck we are running. Okay, so if I need to add any vehicle, then I can create or add new vehicles as well. So this is my current locations. Okay, so no issue. Let me show you the whole process, how we book cab or how they accept and how we can complete it. Just seconds, let me show you. So let me go with rider applications. Now requesting for any booking. So currently we select any vehicles and then we can go for a process. So I just raise a request. Now we go for driver, and with the driver I'm accepting. So we see that ride has started. Now see, this is my live location with the rider driver. You can check. Okay, now this is the rider view. Please see here you can check your OTP. So that OTP will check with driver. Then driver will take this OTP, then they can use it. So your ride will start. Let me show you. See, this is live location, so all things will work live. Here we set up OTP, which OTP riders have. Now I add that OTP. That OTP is correct, so ride will be start. Okay, so see, it will be show you. See that point. We need to go on that point, Noida. We book our that cab Hathras City to Noida currently. Okay, so I just complete my cab request now. So here you can give rating to rider or you can give rating to your driver. Now I rate to rider, or this is the rate to driver. You can pay by cash or by wallet. See, we completed. So the transaction has completed. Okay, now we go for proceed. Payment done. So in driver, see that notification will come like payment has completed. Okay, so in this we already show you all the things.